How to log in to JetBlue Plus Card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to JetBlue Plus Card. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for JetBlue Plus Cards, login, and after you type that in, hit enter. Let me type that in, hit enter, there we go. Now what you can do to log in is you can head over to this JetBlue Plus Cards by Barclays US, and after you're on this website, you can tap on this login button. Tap on login button on the top right, and this pop-up will open up. Now all you have to do is enter up your username, whatever your username is, then your password. So type in your password, and if you want to do this, just tap on this checkbox and then tap on login. Then you'll get logged in into your account, and that's basically it. And that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye-bye.